sense.
Well, we're lawyers, so Shim, that's what we do. Our weapon is the courts.
Yeah.
And you didn't ask me this, but I'm going to kind of go here anyway, because another thing I do is soapboxing. When you're a criminal defense lawyer, and probably as a practitioner in immigration court too, right? You're in a very similar circumstance that we are, and that is that you've got a lot of bureaucracies that are facing off against one another, and you're sort of the low man on the totem pole. And to kind of be more specific, let me sort of tell you kind of how I mean that. When I go to court, I've got an elected district judge, I've got an elected district attorney who's there representing the state. The prisoner is brought over by a sheriff who is elected. The paperwork is all done by the district clerk's office, who is an elected official. We've got the probation department, who is an appointed official who sometimes sticks their head in the middle of this thing. And the fact is that when you're an elected judge or a district attorney, you don't care about. You're a lot more worried about what these other people can do. And in immigration court, you've got the judiciary, right? You've got the Department of Justice. You've got all the powers that be, and you're just this one guy, right? And they're going to make policy. They're going to take actions. They're going to make policy because they're scared of one another, and they're going to do it to appease one another. And they do it a lot of times on our backs. During COVID, we were expected to go to the jail and stand by our clients during their guilty pleas. Everybody else got to be on Zoom, things like that. And not that that's an issue, but the point is that my weapon is the court. And if I don't like something, I file pleadings. And if I don't like what the judges are doing, then my job is to have a spine and to stand up to them and to make everybody's life miserable through the courts until or unless they recognize our role